Welcome to our new vocabulary series with a quiz. Today, we are going to learn daily routines vocabulary. Let's start. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Make lunch. Make lunch. Take the children to school. Take the children to school. Take the bus to school. Take the bus to school. Go to work. Go to work. Be in class. Be in class. Work. Work. Go to the grocery store. Go to the grocery store. Pick up the kids. Pick up the kids. Leave work. Leave work. Clean the house. Clean the house. Exercise. Exercise. Make dinner. Make dinner. Get home. Get home. Have dinner. Have dinner. Do housework. Do housework. Relax. Relax. Check email. Check email. Watch TV. Watch TV. Sleep. Sleep. Now, let's take a short quiz to check how much you remember. Let's start. Make lunch. Take the children to school. Check email. Pick up the kids. Be in class. Get dressed. In this test, please choose the correct word to complete the phrase. Wake up. Take a shower. Go to the grocery store. Eat breakfast. Make dinner. Clean the house. Well done. See you in our next video.